Hello boys and girls, a different kind of problem solving today which involves finding all the possibilities, and we're going to do that by building a robot, and in fact not just one robot but as many robots as we can using these different body parts. As you can see, we've got 3 different heads here, 3 different bodies and 3 different sets of legs. Each one has got a value attached to it. It's kind of like a score. So the value of this head is 6, the value of that head is 4, the value of that one is 3, and you can see they've each got a value. The robots that you build need to have a total value of 20 or less, so no more than 20. If it's over 20, then it's not allowed, it doesn't count. So your task is to see how many different robots you can build out of these body parts with a total value of no more than 20. If you're printing, you might like to cut the body parts out so that you can move them around and see what the different robots look like. If you're not printing, it's absolutely fine, you can work from the picture. Let's see what systematic working looks like then, where we do it in a kind of an order, so we don't forget the different combinations that we've already tried. Let's start then with keeping this head and this body and just swapping the feet. Let's start with this head, this body and this pair of feet, and we're going to record it in a table like this. So the value of that head is 6, that body is 11 and that pair of legs is 5. Altogether, well, 5 add 6 is 11, plus 11 is 22. Is that allowed? No, it's over 20, isn't it? So we can't use that combination. This head, this body still, and this pair of legs instead. Well, it's one leg, isn't it? Total, well, 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 11 is 24. Is that allowed? No. Still too much, isn't it? Next one, this head, this body, but this pair of legs. 6, 11, 2. Well, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 11 is 19. Is 19 allowed? Yes, because it's not over 20, is it? So that's our first robot that is allowed. Let's have a look at it. There it is. This time, let's keep that head, but put it with this body. 6, 8, and back to this pair of feet again. 5. 6 add 5 is 11, plus 8 is 19. Is that one allowed? Yes. We've found 2 robots. Let's see what this second one looks like. There it is. Let's keep this head and body and swap the legs. This time we've got 6, 8 and 7. Six and 7 is 13, plus 8, that's 21. So that's not allowed, is it? Keep the head, keep the body, and swap to the third pair of legs. 6, 8 and 2. 6 add 2 is 8, add 8 is 16. Is that allowed? Yes. Great. So far we've found 1, 2, 3 robots that were allowed. What combination would you do next if you're working systematically? Well, we could still stick with that head, couldn't we? But switch to this body this time, and then go through the combinations with the different pairs of legs. You carry it on from there, either on your paper or on your sheet, and see how many combinations you could find. Have fun!